Good evening guys, it's Castaway Trader and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I feel like many of you are freaking out tonight whether we have top today. So one question bothers you. Is one more high is coming or not? I'm going to answer that question in 30 seconds. But before we start, I want to remind you that I have a website www.castawaytrader.com and I would like you to read that important disclaimer. Okay, let's start. As you may know, I recently have started a subscription section on my website where I regularly post updates of micro charts, 15-minute charts and 45-minute charts I post for my subscribers. So if you want to get regular updates, please subscribe, and now I have a really low introductory rate of only $20 a month. So let's first look at Nasdaq. So the main idea of tonight's video is that we have a perfect alignment between three indices and TVIX, and I'm going to show you why I expect one more high to come. So this is Nasdaq Composite 15-minute chart, and as you can see, we topped in microwave 3 on April 3rd, and then we got very nice ABC down of a corrective wave 4, which set a very important critical support for the continuation of that 5-wave up fractal. Again, that was a bigger parenthesis wave 3 up, corrective wave 4 at the end of March 2019, and then we got A up, B down, and we should complete that C up, which would set a stage for a bigger corrective move down. But before we start that bigger move down, we need to complete those 5 microwaves, and until now we have not done so. So of that low we should get A, B and C, and as you can see, the textbook pattern is that wave A normally stops close to the top made by the previous rally in wave 3, and this is exactly what Nasdaq did, and then it made a brief pullback setting up a higher low. So we got a higher high, higher low. It's a confirmation of a bullish trend, guys. Now let's look at ES Mini. The very similar story, so it topped in microwave 3, quick pullback in 4, or it could be A, B and C, so I would even count that low as 4 in so-called running flat corrective structure, and it set a critical support of 2871. Again we got A of 5 and then A, B and C of B of 5. As long as that B of 5 holds that critical support of 2871, we have all the chances to get another rally, which should hit another higher high. You can see that we have that red trend line, so the minimum expectation would be to hit the trend line, but in many cases we can get a blow off top which would go past beyond that point. I would say to 2930, which is 176.4 extension, but starting from that point I would be shorting that market, because from here I would expect a deeper pullback which could go at first as low as 2790. Now Russell, the same story. We got 1 up, 2 down, long 3 up, wave 3 is always the strongest one, and very textbook, very nice corrective move, A down, B up and C down, right into my green box. This is what you're gonna get if you subscribe to my $20 package. You will get those magic green and red boxes, and you will know in advance what's gonna happen. So from here I would expect another rally somewhere here, maybe 1600 would be the target, and from that point I would expect a deeper corrective move in wave parenthesis B down. Finally, TVIX. You know I'm a big fan to confirm my counts with volatility, and this is exactly what I get from this count. I still want to get 5 down of that point. That 5 down, micro 5 down, would complete that red subwave C of wave 5, which in its turn would complete a larger subwave C, capital C in capital 3. And I gave that green box, and look at that. It bottomed right 1 inch above the green box, and from there we got a really nice looking corrective A up, B down, and C up. That ABC is a corrective wave 4 up, and from here we can get another drop. Remember, TVIX as an instrument linked to volatility has an inverse count to US indices. So that is why we have 3 indices: Nasdaq, ES Mini, Russell, and TVIX in alignment for another small rally, for one more high. So let me show you how you can subscribe to my introductory package covering US indices and TVIX in one package for only $20 a month. So you click register and you choose access to micro accounts of US indices, $19.99 a month. Again, that rate will be raised starting June 1st, 2019. So then once you subscribe, you can go to subscription and you just pick US stock indices, and you get a separate screen for subscribers only. So where you can see the last updates, you see what instrument is updated, the date and time. And if you have a free account, so you may click my account, click upgrade, and you will be able to upgrade to that introductory package. Have a great evening, and please put a like under this video if you want me to post more great videos like that. Good luck with your trading.